Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I really wanted to try out Pink Gellac's new blooming gel. They have kindly sent this out to me. I think it's like a couple of weeks ago, maybe even months ago. I'm so sorry. I'm late on this, on actually trying it. Because simply said, I had so many projects and actually business stuff going on because I just recently turned my YouTube, blog, Instagram, all that jazz in my official business. So yeah, that was pretty cool. And most of all, really exciting for me. It is something that I did last month, and yeah, that's just a little side note. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you'd like to do so. And of course, become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. So yeah, I am going to just play around with this blooming gel because as I mentioned, it's been sitting on my desk. I haven't used it and I was really feeling greens lately. I don't know what's happening with me, to be honest. Usually I don't like green colors on my nails, but I have some beautiful Pink Gellac green colors. Mostly dark green colors were really tickling my fancy, if you know what I mean. But this beautiful color is one from a previous collection. If you want to see some more swatches and all that jazz on that collection, definitely check out that video if you're done watching this one. So I'm just going to start off with a couple of those press-on nails because I know I really had to redo my right hand, but I've actually worn that pink marble design, which was a hand-painted marble design, for over 4 weeks. And I also did a video on that, so if you want to know how I did that, I will just leave it at the end of this video in the end screen, so you can watch that if you're curious to know how I did that too. But I'm just going to start off with 2 layers of this beautiful, graceful green color. It is gorgeous, it is highly pigmented, and 2 coats was already perfect. And I also wanted to use mermaid green, which is a beautiful sparkly green color. I've used it I think in a spider design which I did for Halloween last year in October. It is definitely one of my favorite colors ever, and yeah, I am saying that about a green color. Like, can you believe it? Green is actually really starting to grow on me, and especially this one is just, oh, it's gorgeous. But I am going to use one of my little resin plates and actually place some of that mermaid green on there, because after applying the blooming gel that I'm doing right here on top of the cured layer of beautiful graceful green, I am going to use a dotting tool and place some of that sparkly mermaid green into the blooming gel before curing the blooming gel, of course. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing right here. So I am applying that blooming gel, just a random layer. I just applied it like a regular top coat or just a regular polish. I didn't really feel like I had to apply a super thin coat or a super thick coat. I just applied it usually, like casually. Nothing special going on there. So yeah, with this first nail I actually tried it twice in this particular video with these colors and particular design that I had in mind. I am going to use a dotting tool and just in the middle place some elongated little swipes, I'd say. Not really like circles or something. It's more of like place it, swipe the dotting tool across, and that's it. And I'm going to place some little dots around the sides of the nail as well to make kind of like an alligator, crocodile kind of effect, maybe snake skin pattern, however you want to call it. It was just me trying it out for the first time, so I really had no idea how fast I had to work or anything like that, or even how much of the other color of gel polish I had to apply, so I just gave it a go. I just winged it, and I feel like this first one came out pretty decent. I think that if I would have worked a little faster, especially with the dots on the side, it would have looked even better and maybe even a little bit more blurry, a little bit more crocodile skin, alligator pattern-ish, if you know what I mean. But yeah, in the end I just decided after curing that blooming gel and the mermaid green color, of course, to add a no wipe top coat. I use the Ultra Shine, which is my favorite one. But let's not waste any more time, because I am going to show you what I did with my second try as well. I just applied 2 coats of that graceful green again, cured each layer for 60 seconds in LED, and applied my blooming gel once more, and of course going in once again with that mermaid green and a little dotting tool. Of course, if you don't have a dotting tool, you can use like a bobby pin, like the end of a pen or a pencil or something like that. There are a lot of household items that you can actually use as nail art tools as well. If you would like me to do a separate video on that, let me know in the comment section down below, because it's actually quite handy and you have more laying around in your home that you can use as nail art tools than you would actually expect. So yeah. But back to the design, I am just placing more of like circular kind of dots onto the blooming gel at the moment with that mermaid green color, just to check and see if it gives like a different effect than the first method that I did. I do feel like the more color you apply onto the blooming gel, the more wide it spreads, which makes sense, to be honest. It kind of like gives the same effect as a water marble. Like the more of one particular color you add, the more that one will spread for each and every single drop or layer that you apply. So yeah, keep an eye out for that, or at least keep that in mind while working with it. But yeah, I don't really feel like it's less pretty than the other one. I really do want to try out more different designs with this, maybe even work with a little like nail art brush or something like that. But yeah, there really isn't a really big difference. The only thing is, I feel like if you really dot it in with more like product, it spreads out more as well. So yeah, I really want to try it out with like some opaque creamy colors as well. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see more about that. I think I'm going to do at least one more try with different colors and different like creamy finishes and stuff like that. So yeah, the blooming gel is actually 15 euros, which is pretty affordable. It's just a regular sized bottle that we're used to seeing from Pink Gellac. Definitely try them out if you want to. It's one of my favorite gel polish brands. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.